Want to skyrocket your WhatsApp marketing by ditching boring text and embracing the power of stunning visuals? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Aisensy to send beautiful, photo-based broadcasts on WhatsApp, dramatically boosting your engagement and brand awareness. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Broadcasts section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Next, click on the big, inviting Create Broadcast button to start setting up your photo campaign. Now, give your broadcast a descriptive name so you can easily track its performance later. For example, Summer Sale Photo Blast. In the message type dropdown, choose Image. This tells Aisensy you'll be sending a picture message. Click on the Upload Image area and either drag and drop your chosen image or select it from your computer's files. Make sure your image is high quality and visually appealing. Add a compelling caption to your image. This is your chance to provide context, call to action, and drive conversions. Keep it concise and attention-grabbing. Now, select your target audience. Aisensy lets you segment your contacts based on tags, attributes, and more, ensuring your message reaches the right people. Choose whether to send your broadcast immediately or schedule it for a later date, and time scheduling is great for timed promotions or campaigns. Before you send, review your broadcast in the preview section. Double-check your image, caption, and target audience to make sure everything looks perfect. Finally, click the Send Broadcast button. Congratulations! Your photo-based broadcast is now on its way to your audience. By using eye-catching images, you'll capture attention, increase engagement, and drive sales through your WhatsApp marketing efforts. Happy broadcasting!